Hey everyone, I have a 2011 BMW 330i and the passenger side door won't open either from the inside or from the outside. All the other doors, they work. I hear the actuator operating, but the door just won't open, whether from here or here, from the inside. So my suggestion, before you go taking the door panel out, if you wanted to open the door, I would try this before anything. And what I do is I push here on this top corner. You don't want to push a little bit below because you can dent it if you push too hard. I push in the corner here and pull the handle at the same time, and it opens for me. So now it's the other side's open. The back door opens. This door don't open. From either outside or inside, it don't open. So again, suggestion, I push on this corner here and pull the handle. Voila, open.